Welcome to the first episode of Make Me Fat, the show where we make food, eat food, or... What other third options are there?
Mukbang.
Huh, that is... We're not going to be doing... Today we're going to be baking cookies. Things I've never done before, but we're going to try today. Now it's up to you, though. This is as much as my show as it is yours. Do you want me to make cookies? Or bake them? Bake? I'll just wait for your response right here. It's customary to say yes or no to a question when being asked. And I'm going to give you another few seconds. And this isn't me being forward. I'm just saying you guys want to answer quickly. Or else. Okay? I'm going to give you to the count of 5. Each time you don't answer, I'm going to have to hit you. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, fellas, this is all we're going to need. You're going to need brown sugar, white sugar, maple sugar, flour sugar, salt sugar, not yellow vanilla sugar, chocolate chip sugar, baking powder. Alright, fellas? And I wrote it all down, but for you guys, I'm just going to write it down on the thingy. I think it's called the video. First of all, you're going to need 3/4 of each sugar. Remember, white sugar and brown sugar. You're going to need both. 3/4 of each. One thing you're going to have to, I don't know if you're going to go through it, or I'm the only one that went through it. Not going to need the most glamorous of ingredients. Can you, excuse me? I'm going to consider that 1/4. Now I need the most glamorous of ingredients. Just what you can get. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, you're still going to make a cookie. Wow, this is... You know what? You guys should get the best white sugar. Because this one's just disgustingly bad. And then you're going to pour in your... Excuse me, can you lift? There we go. Thank you. Wow, there's a lot of butter there. Woof. Alright. 1 cup butter and an egg. But this is no ordinary egg. In fact, this egg came all the way from Nebraska. Ladies and gentlemen, give it a warm welcome to the guy who defeated Kylie Jenner in the Instagram like photos. Here he is. Now tell me, sir, what kind of joke cracks you up? I assume it's that one. Bye-bye, Kylie Jenner. Now here's the most important part. Now that you added all the sugar, all the butter, and that one very dead egg, you're going to have to... Wow, hey, look, Keith. You're going to have to mix it up. Oh, wait. Before you don't need this. I like it because I don't get to work as much. But, you know, mix it in well. And next, you're going to have to add flour. More specifically, 2 cups of flour. This is very tedious work, if I say so myself. And do I make everyone else do this? I would want to make everyone else do this because I don't want to be the only one going through such tedious... Oh, I was about to get the flour from here. Here you go, 1/4 from right there. They never said from where. All they said is 1/4. Alright, there you go. I don't know why I threw my notebook. Then add baking soda. Kids, I forgot to add the vanilla. It doesn't matter. Whoops. Never hire monkeys to your work. Then the vanilla. Again, I'm going to add in the thing before to put the vanilla before all this. Whoops. Wow, this is really... I'm not a baker. This is the first time I've ever done this. Okay? So excuse me if I mess up, alright? We're gonna add... You know what? I'm not even gonna try anymore. What half thing to thing. And I think that's it. Alright, we added the baking soda, the flour, and the salt. I think. And I'm pretty scared about all this, but who cares if we make a mess? Because that's part of the fun. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Ah! Oh, that wasn't that bad. Alrighty then. Oh! I don't know if what you're saying is being recorded. Oh, we're gonna. I don't know if it. I think it said add the chocolate chips afterwards. So. Wow, that's a. It told me to add the whole bag of 12 ounces. That's a lot, isn't it? Next time, I guess. That's. Alright, let's put all the cookie dough in. This is a mess. Hey! What is this? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what you're trying. You can speak English, you What is, clean all this. Get rid of all. You moron. My God. Don't ever hire your brother's sister's kids, okay, kids? It's a God. Now I'm mad. Is this how you conduct business? What? You want? Then say it. Say you want to eat this. Is that a yes? I'm not gonna give it to you until you say yes. Wait, hold on. The kids can't see this. You're not making a lick of sense. My God, you're just embarrassing yourself. Alright, well, just put them in the pan however you want it.
Alright, young chef. Please tell me what you're cooking here.
Poison.
I think you mean poisson. Let me have a look then. Bagame. Right. Well, the dish was exquisite. It was as if I ate 20 tinier versions of me, right? And they all started massaging me with the limited edition Gordon Ramsay loofahs. Please, tell me, what was your secret? Right?
Poison.
Haha, sharp tongue on this one. But honestly, what was your secret?
Poison.
Blimey, Bagame, you killed me.
Good. Oh, what? Look at that. Amazing. Should be proud of that. I wasn't a kid, but the last time I made a kid, he's dead. Miscarriages are not fun, kids. But look at that. Let's take a small bite. But I'm going to spin this first, and then we'll figure out what that's happening. My brain says it's a meh, but my reptile brain says it's good. It's crunchy. It's got a bland taste, but a nice aftertaste too. Would I recommend anyone doing this? Would you?
Yep.
Well, she doesn't know what she's saying, but I would if you want the experience of baking. It's an alright experience, you just get to mix stuff. It's not hard. It's not time wasting either. Probably wasting money, but I think in the end of it all, it's you made it, so all the cause of it doesn't really matter, just as long as the effect happens. And the effect was, you made a cookie. Probably don't like it, you probably do like it. But it's not going to matter because at the end of the day, you made it. That's what it all comes down to. Be proud of your work. Be proud of yourself. Unless you're a pedophile. Science and media. Let me mediate the science